What is the Microsoft Defender XDR, and why is it called XDR? And what does Microsoft XDR do in our environment, and how we are going to configure this product? So if you ever come across this type of question and you don't have a clear understanding about this product, so this is the right video and this is the right place for you. So in this video I'm going to talk about this, what it is, Microsoft Defender XDR. Microsoft Defender XDR is extended detection and response. It's Microsoft unified security solution designed to detect, investigate, and respond to cyber threats across your digital environment. And not just on device, it's also across your emails and identities and the cloud app and more. So early Microsoft had a separate security products like a Defender for endpoints, that is basically covers your devices. Then Defender for Office 365, which is email and the collaboration. And third one is Defender for Identity, which is on-premise AD attacks. And fourth one is Microsoft Cloud App, that is protecting your SaaS and cloud applications. So Microsoft Defender XDR brings all these things together in one single platform for better visibility, faster investigation, and automated response. So why it is called XDR is basically extended detection and response. Extended means is beyond just an endpoints laptop. It goes beyond that boundary. It covers the multiple areas, like it gets the log from the identity, emails, and the cloud apps, and your endpoints, and of course your data. So all these logs comes together at one platform, and that is why Microsoft called is XDR, is extended detection and response. And actually what does Microsoft XDR do in our environment? Threat detection detects across multiple areas like email, device, users, and apps, and it correlates its correlations between these signals that is Microsoft gets from the email and the identity, endpoint, and the data, and it's show the full story of attack, what it has happened, from where it is came and where it is going. So source, destination, and where it is travel within your environment. So that correlates the data. On top of that, we can do the automated response. So Microsoft has automatically isolates the affected user device and the block malicious activities. So there is a automated response capability has this product. And then we can do the investigation, is provide timeline or a attack graph for security teams to understand and act quickly. So they will have a clear picture of from where this attack came and where it goes, and all that logs it will gives. And then there is a hunting portal. It's there that allows security team to proactively search for threats using the advanced query KQL that we call, and then reporting and give the security score, recommendations, and the insights of the attack. If we call the real-time example for this, let's say hacker sends this phishing email, then user clicks, malware downloads on the laptop. It's basically typically this happens. So tries to steal the data or the credentials, and the attack moves laterally to other devices or the cloud. So it's basically steal the credential, and then the laterally it is spread within your environment. Different laptop, different users try to connect. Okay, so it all shows the graph, so where it is connected, which are the endpoints are connected with this particular threats, virus, whatever. And then it shows also if it is connected to the cloud applications, right? These all kind of things. It shows the graphical representation, it correlates the data, and it gives users the complete graph. So without XDR, a Defender for Office, for example, without XDR, Defender for Office cache the emails, and Defender for Endpoints cache the malware, and Defender for Identity sees the suspicious AD activity, but all in a separate portal. So without XDR, you need to see all these portals. Like you need to go to the Azure Active Directory Then you need to go to the identity to see the suspicious activity, and then the endpoint detections. On the endpoint portals, you need to go and see there what happens on that for that device, right? So this is a separate products that you need to check for that particular incident. With XDR, all signals automatically connected in a one investigations, shows end-to-end attack kill chain, automated action is applied, and faster response and reduce the damage. So that is the beauty, or that is the main feature of this XDR. XDR portal you can access directly from the Microsoft Security Microsoft.com, that portal. And XDR is basically all-in-one Microsoft security brain. Correlates the data, automate response, and gives the visibility of attack, whatever it is coming from the email, identity, device, cloud app, and the data. So this is a Microsoft Defender XDR that you will see, right? So licensing, about the licensing part, Microsoft Defender comes with the E5 license or the E5 security license dedicated. If you go with the business premium license, it will give you the partial accessibility to the Defender. It's not a fully applied.